Hi, I'm Jamie, and welcome to New Home Lifestyles, showcasing the best in new home design from around the country. Today, we're in Henderson, Nevada with Beazer Homes in the Tierra Vista community. We'll be taking a look at the Dawson model. Let's get started.
Hello everybody, welcome to Tierra Vista by Beazer Homes. My name's Colin, this is my partner August.
Hey guys.
Tierra Vista is a gated community of 54 home sites out here in Henderson overlooking the Las Vegas Valley.
Alright folks, we have 4 single-story floor plans ranging from 1,800 square feet to 2,736, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3 bathrooms. Come on, let's take a look.
Hey, come on in there folks, can't wait to show you our homes. 4 single-story floor plans offered at Tierra Vista, folks. Willow just under 1,800 feet, Dawson at 2,100 square feet, the Zion right at 2,200, and our Big Everett at 2,736 square feet.
Come on folks, let's go tour the best-selling Dawson plan. Follow me. We're now in the kitchen of the Dawson floor plan. Take it away, Colin.
Oh, thank you kindly, Miss August. Indeed, back in the kitchen here of the Dawson floor plan, we're going to talk about choice plans. Choice plans are offered by Beazer, different ways to build both your kitchen and your primary bathroom, depending upon how the customer uses it at no extra cost. So choice plans, folks. Here we are in the primary bedroom, folks. 17 feet by 15 feet with ensuite bathroom. This will be choice bathroom B with the separate vanities, separate walk-in closets, his and her vanities, his and her closets for perfect harmony in the household. Hey, welcome back there folks. So far we've talked about our choice plans. Let's talk a little bit about Beazer's surprising performance homes. No fiberglass in the insulation. It's all blown-in cellulose material. The cellulose material is able to envelop the drain pipes and the gas lines much more effectively than traditional fiberglass. Every house gets the Tyvek wrap. Creates that airtight shell, keeps the valuable cool air in the hot summer months. By far my favorite concept is right above our heads here in the form of cocoon insulation. Bags are hung from the angled roof trusses themselves, packed dense with the same cellulose material. These attics are going to be 4 degrees hotter than the inside of the home in peak summer months, so super energy efficient. In fact, we've got our energy efficiency plaque right here, folks. Traditional, resale. This is the actual heating cooling cost for this 2,100 square foot home, setting your thermostats at 75 in the summer months and 72 heat in the winter months. So outstanding. Money to be saved there on your utility costs.
All right, welcome back folks. We are in the sales office here at Tierra Vista. We've discussed choice options, surprising performance, last but not least, my favorite, mortgage choice. Beazer Homes here at Tierra Vista offer 5 different choice lenders. We really want you to shop those 5 lenders, get the best payment and the best rate possible.
Yeah, platform of 5 choice lending partners that compete for your customer's business through competitive rates, APRs, and closing costs. If you ain't buying in the high 2s, folks, don't wait. Hey, welcome back there, folks. Took my high heels off, and August and I are eye to eye. But really just wanted to summarize. Tierra Vista offering single-story homes, gated community, huge lots, amazing panoramic views of the entire Las Vegas Valley. Give us a holler, schedule an appointment. We'd love to show you around. Phone number 702-747-3791.
Thanks so much, folks. Hope to see you soon.
For more information on this community, click the links in the description and stay tuned for more new home showcases.